Hello, my name is Alessandro, and today, alongside with my colleagues, I'm going to talk about the differences between fintech and non-fintech institutions, while also doing a confrontation between PayPal and Chase Bank. But first, I have to talk about a very important topic, which is e-payment or electronic payment, which is a method of doing financial transactions electronically. So, via an electronical device or an electronical way, which can be also like a bank system. We have a lot of types of e-payment, and the first one, and the most important one as well, are the credit cards. So the credit cards are plastic cards issued by banks that allow customers to move funds from their account to another account and also to withdraw money. Then we have online banking, which is basically the bank providing the same services to people, but in an online way. Then we have mobile wallets or digital wallets that are basically a system that allows us to put our cards in a digital wallet and allow us to pay just by tapping on our phone. Then we have peer-to-peer payments, which is basically P2P. So it's a system that allows us to move money from our account to like an account from another phone number or an email. And then we have cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are a digitalized currency that allow us to make peer-to-peer transactions as well. All of this is very, very important because it allows us not to rely on physical cash, so to avoid scams and losing our money.
Hi everyone, I'm Giulio and now we'll talk about what fintech company is. So first of all, when we talk about fintech company, we refer to a business that uses technology to improve financial services and processes. In fact, the term fintech is a blend of financial and technology. This type of companies operate in various sectors of finance, including banking, investing, and personal financial management. Those fintech companies leverage technologies such as mobile apps, artificial intelligence, and blockchains to make financial services more accessible, faster, and less expensive to individuals and businesses. Some examples include mobile banking, peer-to-peer payments, platform apps, and robo-advisors. So, starting with the comparison between a non-fintech and a fintech company, as a non-fintech, we have chosen Chase Bank, which is a major national bank in the United States. In fact, Chase Bank provides a broad array of financial services, including personal banking, commercial banking, and wealth management. For what regard fintech, we have chosen PayPal, which is a global financial technology company that operates an online payment system in many countries. It allows users to transfer funds electronically between individuals and businesses with just one click. In fact, PayPal serves as a digital wallet and a platform for online commerce on various sites. So the first difference among these two companies is about technology and innovation. In fact, as we know, PayPal is known for its innovative use of technology, and it offers features such as one-touch checkout, which allows customers to make purchases with a single click without entering their payments details each time. In addition, PayPal also has invested in artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithm in order to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions. For what regard Chase Bank, also this non-fintech organization offers some online payment processes, but while it has made strides in digital innovation, its technology may not be as advanced or user-friendly as PayPal. In fact, Chase online payment system may require users to input additional security information or go through multiple authentication steps, leading to a less seamless experience compared to its opponent's PayPal. So instead, for what regard Chase Bank, like many other traditional banks, it also offers online payment processing through its website and mobile app, but its technology may not be as advanced or user-friendly as PayPal. In fact, Chase Bank's online payment system may require users to input additional security information or go through multiple authentication steps, leading to a less seamless experience compared to its opponent PayPal. The second difference among these two companies is about regulatory compliance. In fact, PayPal, as a fintech company operating in a multiple jurisdiction, must comply with various financial regulations, including anti-money laundering, for example. It invests, in fact, in big compliance programs and collaborates with regulatory authorities to ensure adherence to these regulations. For what regard Chase banks, instead, thanks to its heritage in operating with these regulatory frameworks, it has dedicated compliance teams and sophisticated risk management systems to ensure compliance with financial regulations.
Hello, I'm Sebastian Papayani, and I'll be talking about the last two differences between the Chase Bank and non-fintech bank and PayPal, a fintech. First of all, I'll be talking about customer experience, where in the first case, the online payment is setup works, and it might not be as slick or, as you can say, formidable as PayPal's, since users might find themselves usually clicking through different screens or waiting for longer transactions, and all different problems that have to do with this. And they've also got people on hand to support if you need it in case of all these problems. While in PayPal, a fintech in fintech case, they're all about making life easier, so making transactions, making everything more simple, quick, and intuitive. So sending money, splitting bills, managing accounts, and all these things are managed so that it can be, how can you say, it can be as smooth as possible. Plus, they also throw in buyer and seller protection to keep everyone happy. Next up, instead, we have the difference in cost and pricing. Well, in the case of Chase Bank, we could find fees for using like online services, payment services, or depending on what we're doing or what we want to do. Also, they might offer, in some cases, perks for customers or special customers, which usually are hidden costs for the like wire transfers. While in PayPal case, in cost and pricing, they might choose to charge fees for some transactions, like if we talk about international payments or currency conversations, but usually they're very upfront about it. They're very quick, and they might just cut you a deal for a certain type of transfer between users. Finally, I'll be talking about the conclusions, which is our last slide. And as we can see, is if the primary focus is of making life simple, easy through these technologies, so making transactions, making any sort of communication or how can I say, problems much more easier, quicker to solve, it is better to use a fintech type of service, like in the case of PayPal, which has usually innovative and new important features that make life much easier, and it values much more for the convenience and especially for the speed, which is very important. Thank you, and this is it for us.